In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove and or replace numbers and all characters in a Word document. Scrolling through a massive document to manually delete or swap out specific characters, symbols, or numbers one by one is an absolute waste of time. It takes forever and guarantees you will miss a few typos. So today, we are deploying Word's advanced find and replace matrix to erase or swap thousands of characters instantly in a single click. Let us just launch the Control Center, open up your document, and then press on Control H with your keyboard. And then, if you prefer using the mouse, you can look at the top navigation ribbon under the Home tab. Let me actually do that as well. Under Home, then scan to the far right side and click Replace. There's a button. I would say the keyboard is much simpler though. Click again, and this opens the Find and Replace dialog box right in the center of your screen. And if you want to remove or change a specific text character, like changing every instance of dash to a slash, you just type that character directly into the find box. For example, I will choose the slash to find and to replace with says equals. The math is pretty simple here, but if you want to wipe out every single number in the document regardless of what digit it is, you don't type them all, of course. Instead, click into the find box and type the caret number sign, which is going to be this one right here. And this is Word's special syntax code that commands the system to locate any digit from 0 to 9 instantly. And now, with your target characters locked in, shift your eyes down to replace the box. If your goal is to completely delete the numbers or characters and leave nothing behind, just leave the placement box completely blank and empty. In my case, I'll delete the equal sign, and if you want to substitute them with something else, like swapping a specific symbol out for a bullet point, type your new characters directly into that box, depending on what you want to do. Once your configuration is set, click the Replace All button at the bottom. Replace all, and as you can see, it now says, hold on, we made 78 replacements, and click OK. And now you can close out, and your document layout is instantly clean and perfectly uniform without a single manual edit. But that's it. That's how to remove or replace numbers and all characters in a Word document. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.